I will show you how to remove image background in just 1 minute with just 3 clicks of a mouse, and you don't need any professional softwares and you don't need any special skills. First thing you need to do, you need to come on this website here, www.adobe.com/express/features/image/remove background. Yes, this is Adobe website. Yes, these guys made Photoshop and Illustrator. Next thing you need to do, you need to register on this website. Registration is free. Here in the upper right corner, click on sign in. Here you can see they will give you different options to sign up. You can sign up with your Gmail account, with Facebook, with Apple, with your email, or with Adobe ID. On these websites, I always choose to sign up with my email. So it doesn't matter if you have Live Mail, Yahoo Mail, Gmail, or some other email, you can sign up on this website. Here you will need to add your address, your first name, your last name, your password, date of birth, your country, and here if you wish to receive their emails, you should click here. If you don't wish to receive their emails, then just leave it as it is, so you don't have to click here. Click here, create account, and after that you will need to confirm your email. After you confirm your email, you will need to go back on previous page. I will leave you a link in description of this video. When you go back on this page, click here on remove background. And then click here on upload file and choose the photo from which you wish to remove background. This photo, for example, click open. Give it a second to actually process this. This can take few seconds, sometimes even a few minutes if the photo is too big, but it usually takes just a few seconds to finish. Okay, as you can see, they removed background in just 3 clicks. Here you can choose different solid backgrounds, for example, red background or yellow background, blue background, green background, but I will stick with the transparent background, this one here. And all you have to do is just click here on apply, give it a few seconds to process, and that's it. I actually removed background in under 1 minute for free with just 3 clicks. And all you have to do now is here, click on download. And as you can see here, file size is 3.3 megabytes and dimensions are exactly the same as original photo. So photo didn't lose its quality. And don't worry about this outline here. When you download this on your computer, this outline will be much smoother. So all you have to do now is just click here on download and you will download this photo for free on your desktop. You can use this to make YouTube thumbnails just like I did for this video, or you can use it to offer as a service on Fiverr or some other freelance website and make some additional money.